Hey guys, this is a brand new BMW G82 M4. From what I can tell, this is a speed yellow color from BMW Individual. And the reason why BMW has it here today, it's because they're showing the M Performance parts for the M4 and also for the M2. You can check that video out. I just uploaded that one, but now we're gonna take a look at this one. So similar setup as the M2. Of course, you have a lot of carbon fiber all around. When you start at the front, you can see the carbon fiber inserts. You can see the spoiler on the bottom. Of course, carbon fiber. You have those canards, I believe they call them, on the side. No surprise there, you've seen them before. Of course, the yellow color changes quite a bit based on the light here, but it's very vibrant, very cool looking actually. You can also see the carbon ceramic brakes right there, gold calipers, more carbon fiber inserts. And you also have this rocker panel on the bottom, carbon fiber as well. Some really nice attachments in the back. Of course, you are getting that carbon fiber roof and this really, really massive racing wing. I don't know if it's a racing wing or not, but it's quite massive, quite imposing, and it definitely stands out on this car. And if we take a look from the back, you can see the brand new M Performance exhaust system, similar as on the M2. Very unique style of the pipes. So that layout is quite unique. Some call it a Lexus style. And of course, you have the carbon fiber diffuser as well. You can see more carbon fiber attachments in the back. And now maybe we open the door and take a look inside as well. Two-tone leather combination. I'm assuming it's Silverstone from what I can tell, with black. Of course, you have this Alcantara wrapped M Performance steering wheel, 8-speed automatic, more Alcantara covered parts, carbon fiber all around the car, M Performance floor mats. Have this really nice insert right here made out of carbon fiber as well. And of course the rear bench. This is a very unique combination, honestly. Silverstone with black and a yellow exterior. That is quite unique, not something that I've seen before. So once again, this is the BMW M4. Seems to be speedy yellow. Let me give you a quick 360 view. I apologize for the wide lens. I have to go a little bit wide here because it's super tight, and otherwise I wouldn't be able to capture the full car and somebody would be complaining about that. We will try to fix the wide lens in post if possible, but nonetheless, that's the reason why we had to go a little bit wide here, so it might look a little strange from the side, as you can tell right there. All right, so like I said, M2 on the right side, M4 on the left side. Some people call that one the mini M4 based on a lot of the parts being shared. Clearly it is a mini M4, but when it comes to driving, they're quite different. Nonetheless, you can see the different styling as well. So it's actually quite cool to see the M4 and the M2 right next to each other. You can see the very boxy design of the M2, squared up on the sides, of course, the front fascia as well. Then you have the more rounded design of the M4 with the massive kidney grille. Different philosophies, and of course you're not gonna mistake the two on the road. See if we can do a last shot here. You can see the two brothers lined up. All right, guys, so this is it from the Shanghai Motor Show. Stay tuned for a lot more content and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.